Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a quad bike. Before riding, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear, including a Department of Transportation-approved helmet and eye protection. Conduct a thorough pre-ride inspection, checking tire pressure and fluid levels for safe operation. Make sure your tires are inflated to about 7 pounds per square inch for optimal performance and safety. This preparation ensures a much safer and more enjoyable experience. Before moving, understand your quad bike's basic controls. The throttle is usually a thumb lever on the right, providing power. Your brakes, separate levers for front and rear, are essential for controlled stopping. Locate the gear shifter, typically near your left foot, to manage speed. Familiarize yourself with the parking brake, which securely holds the quad bike when you are not actively riding it. To begin, ensure your quad bike is in neutral with the parking brake on, then start the engine. Gradually apply a small amount of throttle, smoothly releasing the clutch if it is a manual model. Practice gentle acceleration and braking in an open space, becoming accustomed to the quad bike's feel. Your initial turns should be wide and slow, helping you to feel balanced and in control. When encountering uneven terrain, shifting your body weight is key. Lean into turns and to the uphill side on slopes to maintain balance and control. Descend hills slowly in a low gear, letting the engine assist with braking, and apply both brakes gently. Approach obstacles at a slight angle, perhaps 25 degrees, preventing sudden jolts. This technique helps keep all four wheels grounded and your ride smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.